We're introducing the 38th Jordan flagship, and I have a very high expectation on these. Okay, so it's been a while, and finally we have the yearly JB flagship in our hand. I hope the shoe is really awesome, fingers crossed. So let's take a look. Right off the bat, we have a regular brown, I guess, recycled box that really put me off a little bit on the presentation. In comparison, this is last year's 37's box. Look at this flagship unboxing experience. We have a sliding sleeve with Jordan cutouts, a premium solid white box with a stylish diagonal opening, and even a grommet on the side. Don't get me wrong, I would love to save the planet by taking some compromise, but you can still put some design on it since you hiked the price by 15 bucks. Moving on to the shoe, the colorway of the 38 is really matching the name, fundamental. We have a majority of black and white. Other than the red accent at the bottom, the shoe is really low-key. Standing at 420 grams, the 38 is still considered lightweight, but heavier than the previous gen. We have white leather toe cap, which reminds me of the Harden Volume 7, but unfortunately, the leather is synthetic. For the environment, I know. Same as the previous Jordan, the 38 draws inspiration from the Jordan 8 and turns the iconic strap into the X plate at the forefoot with a radial translucent herringbone traction pattern, and a full-length zoom unit sits on top of it. The shoe does have a very low stance for better court feel, and the X plate extends both to the front and the back all the way just before the heel, and the rugged plate provides a outrigger gives excellent support for lateral movement. The visible red foam sits below the zoom unit is a newly introduced Cushlon 3.0 with a soft and springy touch. Moving to the upper, we have a traditional lacing system with 6 pairs lace loops and large ventilation holes on the tongue, so it doesn't see through embroidered side panels. We can see the inner booty behind it. I feel the ventilation gonna be awesome. Finally, our feet can breathe a little. Slide to the back, we have more embroidered panels also double as a canvas for highlighting Michael Jordan's performance in the 1993 Championship Series. At the heel, we have a V-cut design for easy entry, a synthetic leather coverage, and a classic Jordan 8 round logo at the center for the throwback. Overall, I think the Jordan 38 is pretty solid from our first look, but there's more to be desired. The color is a little too fundamental, the shoebox is subpar for a flagship, but these are all cosmetic. The most important question is, how does it perform on the court, which is what we will be doing next. So, priced at $200, how do you feel about the latest JB flagship? Let me know in the comments.